Hello everybody and welcome to my video, how to do a Rubik's Cube. So you're probably here because you're probably trying to learn how to do one. I got this for Christmas. It's now January 6th and I've got it down to do it in less than 2 minutes. So I'm going to shuffle it up now and then I'm going to show you how to do it. My idea is that if you're learning how to do one, you're just going to watch this video and see how I do the moves and try and correspond it with the moves that you're learning on the website. Because I just typed in how to do a Rubik's Cube and it's like the main website that pops up every time telling you the 6 steps of how to do it. And I'm just going to show you how I do it in 2 minutes. If you don't believe that I'm going to shuffle it behind my back so I can't see what's going on. Alright. So I'm going to start it now, a little bit more shuffling. There's 3 blues together, I'll shuffle them up a bit. 3 whites together, shuffle them up. Right, I'm going to start now and see if I do it in less than 2 minutes. Alright, 3, 2, 1, go. Alright, so... So obviously you can slow it down in slow motion so you can see exactly what I'm doing, step by step. Actually, I've just realised you won't be able to see my side of the Rubik's Cube, so it doesn't really help. But at least I get to show you that I can do it in less than 2 minutes, because otherwise you probably won't believe me. Slowing down a bit. Bloody forgotten what the hell I'm doing now, that's why. And stop the clock. Oh, I think that was just over 2 minutes. Never mind.